Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Leadpages for high converting SEO landing pages, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Leadpages website to get started. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password and confirm it. Select your desired pricing plan based on your needs. Fill out your billing information accurately. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once registered, you will receive a welcome email. Log in to your Leadpages account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on Build a new landing page to begin. Choose from a variety of customizable templates. Select a template that aligns with your goals. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your landing page. Add elements like headlines, images, and calls to action. Optimize the content to ensure it is SEO friendly. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout the page. Make sure to add meta titles and descriptions for better visibility. Preview your landing page to see how it looks on different devices. Connect your domain or choose a Leadpages subdomain. Once satisfied, click on Publish to make your landing page live. Monitor the performance of your landing page using the analytics tools provided. Make adjustments as necessary to improve conversion rates. Engage with your audience through follow-up emails or ads. Continue to experiment and optimize for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.